Hey everybody, it's Tom at Integrity Transmission and Auto Repair in Fate, Texas. We're right off the I-30 frontage road at 4232 East Interstate 30. Today I want to talk about Nissan CVT transmissions. We get calls all the time from Nissan owners that are just shocked that their Nissan transmission gave out. Now the reality is Nissan makes a great car, a great SUV, but like every car, there's Achilles heels. And on this one, it's that Nissan CVT. What's interesting is if you order a transmission from Nissan, they only give you a 12-month, 12,000 mile warranty, and they want somewhere between $5 and $7 grand to put it in, depending on the model of Nissan that you have. So these CVTs started in 07 and up, and we have a vendor that builds these. Nobody builds them. You're buying them from a manufacturer or a remanufacturer. We have a vendor we buy these from that offer a 3-year, 500,000 mile warranty. Now I know nobody is going to drive 500,000 miles in 3 years, but that's some peace of mind. Also, that warranty is national. It pays labor and parts. So if you have a Nissan Altima, Murano, Rogue, Maxima, Sentra, the front-wheel drive Pathfinders, they all take the Nissan CVT. Rather than junk that car, give us a call. Let's find out how much we can get you one installed for with that great warranty. Again, this is Tom at Integrity Transmission. We do rebuilds on most, remanufactures on many, services on just about all of them, as well as general mechanical repairs. So if we can help you out, come by, say hello, give us a call. We'd love to meet you. Thanks for watching.